Hey guys, today we will talk about the problem of this sequence. For our first solution, since 5 is greater than 1, we can use the recursive formula on a sub 5 to represent it with a sub 4. Let's repeat the process on a sub 4, a sub 3, and a sub 2. If we replace a sub 1 with its value of 2, we get our result. This sequence seems geometric, and maybe we can derive an explicit formula for a sub n, which is useful especially when n is big, because once we know the index n, we know a sub n. Let's go for it in our second solution, and start with the case when n is greater than 1. To use the recursive formula on a sub n to represent it with a sub n minus 1. Again, let's repeat the process on a sub n minus 1, a sub n minus 2, and all the way down to a sub 2. Similarly, if we replace a sub 1 with its value of 2, we get this formula, meaning that this sequence is geometric when n is greater than 1. Let's continue with the case when n is equal to 1. From this page, we can see that the formula we have derived when n is greater than 1 also works when n is equal to 1. So, we get the explicit formula for a sub n when n is any natural number. If we set n to be equal to 5, we get the exact same result as before. Alright guys, thanks for your time. Feel free to leave any comments or questions. I'll see you in the next video.